The Princess and the Frog. The story follows Jana, a hardworking girl who dreams of owning her own restaurant. Her life changed when she meets Prince Naveen, who has been turned into a frog. When she kisses him to help, she also turns into a frog, and together they go through challenges to break the curse and discover what truly matters. So, the story becomes an issue of children's literature because kay bisan positive ang message about hard work, na ay mga parts nga gayos og mga racial stereotypes, a portrayal sa black culture, especially sa voodoo scenes, sometimes nga dili accurate or fear. Because of this, educators question if kids might get the wrong impression about certain cultures. So mao nga, even nga if na isang story, kailangan yapon siya i-explain properly sa mga young readers. And the Snow White the Seven Dwarfs. So, the story, Snow White escapes from her jealous mother, the evil queen, and finds a new home with the seven dwarfs. The queen tries to harm her using a poison apple, and Snow White falls into a deep sleep until a prince revives her. So, kini nga story i-consider ni nga issue kay maklaro jud nga ang old-fashioned portrayal sa babae, and because Snow White is shown as very passive, maghulat ra siya nga maluwas and maglimpyo and mag-serve sa others. For modern educators, this can send wrong ideas about gender roles. Plus, ang kiss without consent, ang kiss without consent sin kay dili na angay sa values karon, since kids need to learn about boundaries and respect. Mo nga naay mga teachers nga mo discuss ani carefully para dili masayop ug ma-interpret ang mga bata. So, and Peter Pan, the boy who never grows up, brings Wendy and her brothers to Neverland. They meet mermaids, pirates, and lost boys, and experience magical adventures before Wendy decides to return home and accept growing up. Ang pinaka controversial part ani kay ang portrayal sa native or indigenous people. So older versions sa story kay gishow sila in a very stereotypical and inaccurate way, which can lead to discrimination or misunderstanding. Another concern in the message nga never grow up, which sounds fun pero pwede makahatag og unrealistic expectation sa bata about responsibility and maturity. That's why modern teachers explain the story with more context so kids can still enjoy the magic but understand the sensitive parts. And Pinocchio is a wooden puppet who wants to be a real boy. He goes on many adventures, makes mistakes, lies, get into danger, and learn lessons about honesty and responsibility as he tries to change himself. So, although nga classic ang Pinocchio, daghan scenes nga medyo dark for young readers, and naay part where kids are punished too harshly, like turning boy into donkeys, plus scenes of fear, plus mga scenes nga na fear, danger, and manipulation. For some teachers and parents, these moments can be too intense and might give children the idea that mistakes deserve extreme punishment. Mao nga gi-considered siyang as an issue children literature, not to ban it pero para i-guide ang children while guide sila. So, and the last is Dumbo. Dumbo is a small elephant with very big ears. Because of his unique appearance, people laughed at him, but later he discovers that his ears allow him to fly, turning what others saw as a flaw into a special gift. And so, ang Dumbo kay naay duha ka big concerns. Una, ang portrayal sa crow o sa uwak ng character in the old version kay connected sa racial stereotypes, which many people find offensive and insensitive. And ang ikaduha is grabe ang bullying nga gi-experience ni Dumbo, and isolation and emotional pain, while important ang message about accepting differences. And teachers worry that kids might copy the bullying behavior or not fully understand its impact, and that's why educators discuss the story with guidance to make sure children learn the right lesson. So kana da lang tama na ka. Thank you.